Here's how you create your first liquidity position with 1inch Aqua. I've already connected my wallet, so I just need to go ahead and hit Provide Liquidity. This is the Create a Position page. Here, you can see that I've got a bunch of pre-selected token pairs, but I'm going to show you the token picker. I've got two search boxes here, shortcuts to popular tokens, the actual balances in my wallet, and some top lists as well. Let's use my USDC and my USDT to create a stable pair. Now you can see that I've got my overview section here that contains the price chart. I can actually use the graphical elements of this, click and drag them to change my range visually. But for the moment, I am just going to use the presets instead. Aqua has automatically suggested a price range for me, but I'm going to go for something a little bit tighter. Now, we can also set the swap fee here. Again, Aqua has automatically suggested a swap fee for me based on the pair's volatility. I could change it based on a bunch of presets or a custom value, but I'm going to leave that how it is. Now it's time to choose how much of my balance of each token to deploy to this position. If I hit max on my USDC, I don't have enough USDT to completely fill that position. So I'm going to go back and stick to max USDT here. I don't have to commit my full balance. I could commit 50%, 25%. Now it's time to actually create the position. The first time I use a particular token to create a position, I have one extra step. That's the approval step that allows Aqua to access that token within my wallet. But that only happens once. After that, it's a single transaction to create any new position. So I'm going to hit approve. That's come through and I've signed it for the other token as well. So I've approved both tokens there within my wallet. The button has changed to provide liquidity. That's what you'll usually see with a token that you've already given an approval for. Hit provide liquidity. I'm going to sign in my wallet. And there we go. There's my first liquidity position live on 1inch Aqua. Give it a go yourself and let us know what you think about the experience.